Welcome to the SEO Advanced course. In this course, you will learn the latest SEO techniques and strategies to help you rank your website higher in search results. Technical SEO. Make sure your website is technically sound and easy for search engines to crawl and index. This includes things like site speed, structured data, and canonicalization. Find the right keywords to target with your SEO campaigns. Use keyword research tools and strategies to inform your content marketing efforts. Content marketing. Create and distribute valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. Develop content marketing strategies for SEO and create and promote content that gets shared and linked to. Link building. Get high-quality backlinks to your website. Use different link building strategies and avoid getting penalized by search engines for spammy link building practices. Use SEO tools and analytics to track your progress and measure the effectiveness of your SEO campaigns.